So earlier today, in New York City, LG made the G7 ThinQ, that's how it's pronounced, made it official. It's out. We have one. We're going to tell you what you need to know about it. 6.1-inch QHD super bright display with a brightness booster mode, Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, expandable via microSD, running Android Oreo, 3000 milliamp battery, all on a water and dust resistant body. So in regards to what's kind of different, what's added, you have 32-bit quad DAC seen from the V series V30. You now have DTS 3D 7.1 surround sound and boombox speaker that utilizes the design of the G7 to turn into an echo chamber to really pump out a lot more sound, actually 40% louder than previously. Such a shame that it's only one speaker instead of dual stereo speakers. So you now have a total of 4 buttons on this thing. The fingerprint sensor is still on the rear, but that is no longer a button, it's just that. You now have a dedicated power button, volume up, volume down, not really a rocker, 2 buttons, and a dedicated button for Google Assistant. Unfortunately, you can't remap it for those of you who may not like Google Assistant. So as far as cameras go, you have the dual rear-facing cameras, both 16 megapixel sensors. One is a f1.6 standard lens, the other is a f1.9 wide-angle lens. The LG made sure to focus on their wide angle to make sure none of that fisheye distortion that was apparent last year. And on the front, they bumped it back up. So you went from 5 megapixel now to 8 megapixel with the f1.9 aperture selfie camera to really get you some nice sharp images. You have a low light performance mode, you have their own portrait mode, and then you have AI cam feature that automatically analyzes the subjects and provides recommendations of filters and different things to beef up your photos. So it's like a super auto mode. We'll dive more into that in regards to our camera focus section of it. So we don't have any word in regards to pricing or availability for the G7 just yet. So we're going to dive into some testing of it, and just stay tuned for some more videos of the G7 ThinQ, that is. Thanks for watching. Could be anywhere in the world. You're here with us. Appreciate it, and see you next video. Peace.